Hello friends, in today's lecture we have to discuss about simplex method to solve a linear programming problem. Slack variable. If constraint have less or equal sign, then in order to make an equation, the non-negative variable which is added to left side of constraint is said to be a slack variable. For example, 3x1 plus 2x2 less or equal to 6, then 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to 6. Here s1 is the slack variable. Now example, using simplex method solve the following linear programming problem. Maximize z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to the constraint x1 plus 3x2 less or equal to 6, 3x1 plus 2x2 less or equal to 6 and x1, x2 greater or equal to 0. Here maximize z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 is an objective function. x1 plus 3x2 less or equal to 6 and 3x1 plus 2x2 less or equal to 6 is a set of condition. x1, x2 greater or equal to 0 is a non-negativity condition. Now constraint na type less or equal છે તો સ્લેક વેરિયેબલની ડેફિનેશન પ્રમાણે આ રીતે લખી શકાય 3x1 plus 2x2 less or equal to 6 હોય તો 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to 6. Step 1. Introducing non-negative slack variable s1 and s2 to convert the given linear programming problem into its standard form. Maximize z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 subject to the constraint x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 is equal to 6 and 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s2 is equal to 6. Using definition of slack variable and x1, x2, s1, s2 greater or equal to 0. Now step 2. Since all bi RHS values greater than 0, I is equal to 1, 2. Therefore, choose the initial basic feasible solution as x1, x2 is equal to 0, s1 is equal to 6, s2 is equal to 6 and maximize z is equal to 0. x1, x2 ની કિંમત 0 મૂકો તો s1 is equal to 6 મળશે, s2 is equal to 6 મળશે અને આમાં maximize z is equal to 0 થશે. This solution can also be read from the initial simplex table by equating row-wise values in the basis b column and solution values xb column. Now step 3. To see whether the current solution in table below is optimal or not, calculate Cj minus Zj for non-basic variables x1, x2 as follows. That is, Zj is equal to basic variable coefficient Cb multiplied by jth column of data matrix. These Zj values are now subtracted from Cj values in order to calculate the net profit likely to be gained by introducing a particular variable x1 or x2 into the new solution mix. This is done by introducing one unit of each variables x1 and x2 into the new solution mix. Let us see. Here are simplex table. Cj maxima is z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 2 છે, x2 નો 3 છે, s1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 0 અને s2 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 0 છે. નાઉ બેઝિક વેરિયેબલ કોએફિશિયન્ટ CB, બેઝિક વેરિયેબલ B, બેઝિક વેરિયેબલ્સ વેલ્યુ સ્મોલ b is equal to xb, x1, x2, s1, s2 and minimum ratio. Now basic variable coefficient CB 0, basic variable B s1, basic variable value small b. Six, x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 is equal to 6. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 1, x2 નો 3 પ્લસ s1 1 અને s2 નથી તો 0. નાઉ थ्री x1 plus 2x2 plus s2 is equal to 6. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 3, x2 નો 2, s1 નથી તો 0 અને s2 નો 1 is equal to 6. એટલે બેઝિક વેરિયેબલ વેલ્યુ સ્મોલ b 6. નાઉ zz basic variable coefficient CB multiply by jth column of data matrix. Zz is equal to CB into jth column of data matrix. CB ની વેલ્યુ છે 0 પ્લસ Z1 શોધવાનું છે તો ફર્સ્ટ કોલમ લેવાની 0 into 1 plus 0 into 3 is equal to 0, that is 0. Now Z2 CB into second column of data matrix 0 into 3 plus 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Now Z3 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Now Z4 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Here Z1 અને Z2 તમને કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીને બતાવ્યા છે. These Zj values are now subtracted from Cj values in order to calculate the net profit likely to be gained by introducing a particular variable x1 or x2 into the new solution mix. This is done by introducing one unit of each variable x1 and x2 into the new solution mix. CJ વેલ્યુ છે એમાંથી ZJ વેલ્યુ બાદ કરવાની છે, સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ કરવાની છે. तो CJ माइनस ZJ 2 माइनस 0 2 3 माइनस 0 3 0 माइनस 0 0 0 माइनस 0 0 અહીંયા C1 માઇનસ Z1 C2 માઇનસ Z2 કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીને તમને બતાવ્યા છે. The CJ and CJ minus ZJ rows are added into table. એડ કરી દીધી છે. The values of basic variables S1, S2 are given in the solution values XB column of table. The remaining values that are non-basic at the current solution have zero value. The value of objective function at the current solution is given by Z is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiply by basic variable value XB. Now, basic variable coefficient CB multiply by basic variable value XB. 0 into 6 plus 0 into 6 is equal to 0. That is Z is equal to 0. Since all Cj minus Zj greater or equal to 0, J is equal to 1, 2. The current solution is not optimal. CJ માઇનસ ZJ ગ્રેટર ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 મળે છે તો એ સોલ્યુશન એ ઓપ્ટિમલ સોલ્યુશન નથી. Variable x2 is chosen to enter into basis because C2 minus Z2 is equal to 3 is the largest positive number into x2 column when all elements are positive. This means that for every unit of variable x2, the objective function will increase in value by 3 and the x2 column is the key column. Here CJ minus ZJ માં લાર્જેસ્ટ પોઝિટિવ નંબર 3 છે તો એ x2 કોલમમાં છે તો એ કોલમ એ આના માટે કી કોલમ થશે. નાઉ મિનિમમ રેશિયો XB બાય કી કોલમ. હવે કી કોલમ x2 છે then XB by x2. Calculate XB by x2. 6 by 3 is equal to 2 and 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Now રેશિયો 2 એ મિનિમમ છે. Step 4. The variable that is to leave the basis is determined by values in the XB column by the corresponding elements in the key column as shown in table above. Since the ratio 2 is minimum in row 1, the basic variable S1 is chosen to leave the solution. की एलिमेंट 3 છે x2 કોલમમાં છે તો નેક્સ્ટ ટેબલમાં ઇન પ્લેસ ઓફ S1 x2 લખીશું અને x2 ની વેલ્યુ 3 છે એ CB માં લખીશું. Step 5. Since the key element enclosed in the circle in table above is not 1, divide all elements in the key row by 3 in order to obtain new values of the elements in this row. અહીં key element 3 છે એ 1 નથી, તો ફર્સ્ટ રોના બધા જ એલિમેન્ટ્સને 3 વડે ડિવાઈડ કરવાના. R1 new is equal to R1 old by 3 key element. Six 1 3 1 0. 6 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 by 3, 1 by 3 and 0 by 3. 6 by 3 is equal to 2, 1 by 3, 3 by 3 is equal to 1, 1 by 3 and 0. Then put this value in new table. 2, 1 by 3, 1, 1 by 3 and 0. The new values of the elements in the remaining rows for the new table can be obtained by performing the following elementary row operations on all rows so that all elements except the key elements 1 in the key column are 0. So that R2 new is equal to R2 minus 2 R1 new. R2 6 minus 2 into R1 new નો પહેલો એલિમેન્ટ છે 2, તો 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now R2 નો second element 3. 3 minus 2 into R1 નો second element 1 by 3. 3 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. Now two minus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. Now 0 minus 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 and 1 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 1. CJ ની value as it is 2300. Basic variable coefficient CB, basic variable B, basic variable value small b is equal to XB, X1, X2, S1, S2 and minimum ratio. Now basic variable CB અહીં કી કોલમ X2 છે, કી એલિમેન્ટ 3 છે, S1 ની જગ્યાએ X2 લખવાના અને X2 ની વેલ્યુ 3 એ CB માં લખવાની. That means 3, basic variable x2, basic variable value b 2, 1/3, 1, 1/3 અને 0. Now basic variable coefficient 0, basic variable b s2, basic variable value b is equal to xb is equal to 2, 7/3, 0, -2/3 અને 1. Now calculate zz. Basic variable coefficient cb multiply by jth column of data matrix. Here 3 into 1/3 plus 0 into 7/3 is equal to 1. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1/3, 1. 3 into 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Now Cj minus Zz. Two minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to -1 and 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now calculate z. Basic variable coefficient cb multiply by basic variable value xb. Basic variable coefficient cb 3 into 2 plus 0 into 2 is equal to 6. Here z is equal to 6. Once again, calculate values of Cj minus Zz to check whether the solution shown in table above is optimal or not. Since Cj minus Zz greater or equal to 0, the current solution is not optimal. Now, repeat steps 3 to 5. Table below is obtained by performing following row operations to enter variable x1 into the basis and drive out h2 from the basis. Here Cj minus Zz value 1 maximum છે, ત્યાંથી એન્ટર થવાનું. x1 એ એના માટે કી કોલમ થશે. મિનિમમ રેશિયો xb by x1 xb 2 by 1/3 છેદનો છેદ અંશમાં 6 2 by 7/3 છેદનો છેદ અંશમાં 6/7. અહીં મિનિમમ રેશિયો 6/7 છે. 7/3 એ કી એલિમેન્ટ છે, એ x1 કોલમમાં છે, તો h2 ની જગ્યાએ x1 લખી શકાય અને x1 ની વેલ્યુ 2 એ 0 ની જગ્યાએ આવશે. Now R2 new is equal to કી એલિમેન્ટ છે એ 7/3 છે. રો 2 ને 3/7 વડે ગુણવાના. R2 new is equal to 3/7 R2 old. 2 into 3 by 7, 7 by 3 into 3 by 7, 0 into 3 by 7, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 7, and 1 into 3 by 7. 6 by 7, 1, 0, minus 2 by 7, and 3 by 7. Here x1 is the key column and 7 by 3 is the key element. કી કોલમમાં કી એલિમેન્ટ સિવાયના બધા જ એલિમેન્ટ્સ છે એ 0 થવા જોઈએ. તો એના માટે R1 ઉપર રો ઓપરેશન કરવું પડશે. R1 new is equal to R1 old minus 1 by 3 into R2 new. R1 old નો પહેલો એલિમેન્ટ 2 છે minus 1 by 3 R1 new. R1 new નો પહેલો એલિમેન્ટ 6 by 7. 2 minus 1 by 3 into 6 by 7. That means 2 minus 2 by 7 is equal to 12 by 7. Now second element 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into R2 new. R2 new નો સેકન્ડ એલિમેન્ટ 1 છે. is equal to 0. Then 1 minus 1 by 3 into 0. R2 new નો થર્ડ એલિમેન્ટ 0 છે. is equal to 1. Now R1 old 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into R2 new. Minus 2 by 7 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 21 is equal to 9 by 21 is equal to 3 by 7. And now 0 minus 1 by 3 into R2 new 3 by 7 is equal to minus 1 by 7. તો આ એ R1 new થશે. Now let us see the simplex table. R1 new and R2 new. Now ZZ. Table below is completed by calculating the new ZZ and Cj minus Zz values and the new value of objective function Z1. Basic variable coefficient CB multiply by jth column of data matrix. Three into 0 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now 3 3 into 1 plus 0 into 2 is equal to 3. Now (3 into 3 by 7 plus 2 into minus 2 by 7 is equal to 9 by 7 minus 4 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. 3 into minus 1 by 7 plus 2 into 3 by 7 is equal to minus 3 by 7 plus 6 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. ZZ values. Cj minus Zz. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 minus 5 by 7 is equal to minus 5 by 7. And 0 minus 3 by 7 is equal to minus 3 by 7. Now calculate Z. The new objective function value is Z is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiplied by basic variable value XB is equal to 3 into 12 by 7 plus 2 into 6 by 7. 12 multiplied by 3, 36 by 7 plus 6 multiplied by 2. 12 by 7, 36 plus 12 is equal to 48 by 7. Here Cj minus Zz value less or equal to 0 for non-basic variable. Then current solution is optimal. Now x1 is equal to 6 by 7, x2 is equal to 12 by 7 and maximum Z is equal to 48 by 7.